Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top Binance Launchpad coins by market cap, which means that these are coins that were launched on Binance Launchpad some time ago. So let's get straight into it, shall we? Polygon MATIC will be doing it. And after that, we'll move on to Sandbox, MultiversX, Injective, Axie Infinity, KAVA, BitTorrent, Safepal, Fetch, and then we'll end it with the STEPN at number 10. Let's get straight to it, right? MATIC against BTC. So MATIC doesn't really look good. Or MATIC could be about to stage a reversal, right? If you look over here at a MACD, higher high on the MACD. Sorry, higher low on the MACD, higher low on the RSI, but lower low on the price. You see that? So we are kind of oversold. So MATIC could be staging a strong reversal eventually, right? Our hope is for MATIC not to take out this low. We already had the noisy area over here. So I suspect it's either MATIC slices through the lows over here or MATIC starts reversing. Again, I'm not entirely sure. To be honest, I don't really like what I see on MATIC. Why? Because there's a mountain range over here. We zip down, right? Again, there is a head and shoulders. You see this? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. I think there's still more downside, but we are very close to the bottom here. So there's strong support. So we might just start rising back up to invalidate the head and shoulders, right? The moment you take out the top of the right shoulder, invalidation. So are we going to get invalidation? We don't know. We don't know. We don't like what we see on MATIC. We're under the skinny pink line though. So we respect the bearish trend on MATIC BTC. MATIC against USDT. Kid, we still have another target over here at 38 cents. Again, we're already severely oversold. Severely. Again, head and shoulders over here. Right. You see this? Zip lower. Even on the smaller time frames, you'll be able to spot head and shoulders as well. Zip down. And now we're continuing lower. I don't know. I don't like what I see. MATIC has a huge potential to form descending triangles, right? Huge downside, really huge downside for MATIC, right? If we get another bounce over here, it's terrible, boys and girls, it's terrible. Yeah, again, but we could be wrong. The bullish case is, if we put on our bullish glasses, is that this is a wave C. A, B, C, D, E, pump. We go back up. Right, but from what I see, I can't really tell yet. I don't really like what I see. I think we're still going to drop lower. And if we were to drop towards 38 cents, I don't like what I see. It's not good news. But again, we'll see how things go. MATIC BTC and MATIC USD has an opportunity to form gigantic squeezes, right? MATIC BTC is also potentially in a wave C. MATIC USD is also potentially in a wave C. So if MATIC could just start reversing back up, that would be awesome. That would be truly awesome, but I don't see it yet. So be careful about rushing into a trade too soon for MATIC. The Sandbox against BTC. Here we are for Sandbox. Oh boy. We've been in a descending, we have been in a downwards trend for a very long time. The moment we cross the skinny pink line, that's it. You switch to a bearish bias. And we have been in a bearish trend for the better part of 500 days. It's been down. Any clear signs of a reversal? No. Does this look like a bottom to you? No. Have we taken out these lows? Yeah, we've taken out these lows. So maybe we start reversing from here for Sandbox. Again, I'm not too sure. Right, we were already oversold here. Right, oversold. Yeah, again, super oversold here. Yeah, we had a rally, but eventually we continue lower. Oversold. Right, we were already oversold here. Right, what happened? We dropped even lower. I know, we're oversold. Who's to say we can't continue lower for Sandbox, right? Again, we need to see buying pressure to push the price higher for Sandbox, right? Until we see buying pressure, this can just go on forever, right? So yeah, buying pressure will be awesome. We need to see this happen first. We don't mind missing the first move, right? But we want confirmation. So yeah, we're gonna be patient. We are gonna be patient when it comes to the Sandbox. Against USD, Sandbox, it's down as well. Down. I can count 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This could be the final wave. We could be reversing back up. Absolutely possible, right? Again, no clear signs of a bullish reversal yet. This looks to me like a potential falling channel that could be about to complete, right? 1, 2, 3, maybe another one, 4, 5. Again, I can't say for sure, but Sandbox doesn't really look good at the moment, so you got to be very, very careful about rushing to a trade too soon for Sandbox. Against MultiversX, again, we're also down in downwards trend, you see. As long as you're under the skinny pink line, we remain with a bearish bias, right? Previously, we did see some coins that could be reversing, right? And it's already in a bullish trend, but for MultiversX, still bearish. Right, we need to see some buying pressure. You see this down, 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 and then suddenly buying pressure. We want to see that buying pressure. Where is that buying pressure? We don't see it. Does this look like a reversal? No. We don't see anything yet, so yeah, you gotta be so careful. Against USD, yeah, nothing as well. We keep seeing mountains down, even from the top mountains, right? Mountains down, rising channel, zip lower, right? Any clear signs of a reverse? No. We were saying that we'll probably take out the lows over here at $20. We're at $23, very close, very close. So just a little bit more for MultiversX. Injective, okay, Injective is one of the rare coins that's already in a bullish trend, but I do not know how much longer this bullish trend is going to last. Reason being, I can already count 1, 2, 3, 4. I think the next wave up will be a final wave. I don't know if this is going to be hit 4480, right? We may go close to hitting 4480, or maybe just a little bit higher, right? And we form higher highs, double bearish, and we come back down. We get a head and shoulders, zip lower, or we could just zip lower from here, right? But I'm leaning towards the bullish side of things for Injective. Again, the moment you cross the skinny pink line, switch to a bullish bias, consolidation, right? You can argue that this is something like an inverse head and shoulders or a symmetrical triangle. Yeah, we zip higher. Again, we're still anticipating more upside, but are we gonna get it? We're not too sure. So yeah, I gotta be careful, boys and girls. Injective against USD, same thing, just like the BTC pair. We're in consolidation and we're expecting a zip up to come for Injective. $13, about $14 roughly, right? More upside, yeah, more upside. But for Injective USD, we don't count 5 waves. We count only, 4 waves, same thing as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, another one, 5. Right, another wave up. That's the expectation. Of course, no guarantees. This is trading. Everything can just start, collapsing anytime. But yeah, we're still in a bullish trend. We're still above the skinny pink line, so we're still looking for bullish continuation towards the upside. The wave C is quite obvious though. Right, and we're up, but of course things can always go wrong, right? Again, it would be great if we see buying pressure, and then that's it, continuation for Injective. Axie Infinity, oh my god, another coin, just like Sandbox, down, no signs of life at all. How much lower are we gonna go? We don't know. Axie Infinity is just so weak. We have another target over here, ta-da, 365, right? We had this target since, what is this? May, 10th of May. Still more downside? Yeah. We're at 446, so just a little bit more. But I suspect if we were to go down to 365, we'll probably be taking out these lows, and maybe even this week over here at 183. So there could still be a ginormous dip coming on for AXS. We're still not entirely sure, and we don't really like what we see. So yeah, there we go. That's our take for Axie Infinity. KAVA against BTC. Here we are for KAVA. Yeah, for KAVA, we have a target over here. Ta-da! Fresh out of the oven for you. Again, I think that this is, again, if we were to cut across here, right? Cut across this wick over here, it does look like mountain ranges, right? Like a descending triangle of sorts, right? Something like that. Zoom, we zip lower, right? I don't think we're done yet. I still think there's more downside. But let's say, for example, we take tip to tip, right? Yeah, it's something like that. Not exactly that high quality, but something like this, right? So more downsides to be expected. 1730 for KAVA BTC, which means that it's another 25% for KAVA BTC. So yeah, I still think it's more downside, right? KAVA USD, 40 cents. Target, yes sir, we got this on the 6th of September. We still expect more downside. We think that these lows are going to be taken out. So Yeah, and this is a rising channel. You see this? We just broke the rising channel. So more downside is to be expected for KAVA. Head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, zip down. Do you see this? Do you see this, boys and girls? Yeah, so KAVA is just not really looking that good. BTT! BTT against USDT. We look at it on Gate. So for yo, bro. Bro. Okay, let's click this, right? BTT has been in a downwards trend. You see this? Head and shoulders, zip down, right? I don't know why this rising channel. Yeah, down. Again, mountains, zip down again. Something like a head and shoulders, maybe. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, or descending, something like that. Down, 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 down. We are quite oversold though, so there could be a strong bounce coming on. Again, we're not entirely sure. We were also oversold over here. Guess what? We drop even lower. Oversold over here. Guess what? We drop even lower. So again, respect the trend for BitTorrent. It's not looking good. Safepal against BTC. Here we are for Safepal. Okay, Safepal has potential, right? This looks to me like a potential squeeze coming on. So this could already be yeah, this whole thing could be an ABCDE. A breakout could be coming on for Safepal. It does look good though. I kind of like what I see. I think there's an opportunity for Safepal to continue higher. We're already above the skinny pink line. But if you were to look into the past, we zip above the skinny pink line. We got slapped down. Zip up, slap down. Now we're up. Are we going to get slapped again? Oh boy. We don't know, boys. We don't know. Safepal, yeah, again, same thing, right? Something like an inverse head and shoulders. Something like that. Break higher. We're already above the skinny pink line. So the trend could already be bullish for Safepal. Absolutely possible. So yeah, again, but I wouldn't call this a high quality reversal. Still at an accumulation phase though, right? Usually when a bear trend ends, we go sideways for a while before going back up. So this could already be it. I mean, of course, if Bitcoin zips down, everybody's going to zip down as well, right? But there is potential for Safepal. So yeah, we'll be on the lookout. We'll see how it goes. But if Safepal drops all the way back down here, dear Lord, this is going to be big mountain range, which could bring us even much lower. So we'll see how it goes first though. We'll see how it goes. But I kind of like the BTC pair. So if the BTC does well, very likely the USD pair will do well for Safepal as well. Fetch against BTC. Here we are for Fetch. Okay, there's nothing for Fetch. It's just down and up and down and up and down and up and down. And okay, we're hitting a skinny pink line. Resistance! So we could be heading lower. Fetch against USDT. Yeah, Fetch had a very nice run, right? The AI narrative. And you can already count 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Now we're coming back down. But I kind of like what I see, right? We could be on the way down for a wave C. You see this? A, B, C. So, yeah, again, noisy area over here. So we'll probably drop to 10 cents potentially. For Fetch, we're already under the skinny pink line. So we switch our bias to bearish for Fetch. But I kind of like what I see, right? When we rise, yeah, rise very obviously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after that, we started forming mountain ranges, right? Descending triangle. Zip lower. Again, I would assume this is the first wave down, right? If you were to cut across the wicks, right? This is a rising channel, right? This could be, yeah, the third wave coming down. My guess is 10 cents. Again, pure guessing. I don't really like this wick. But yeah, you can assume that this is mountains, 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 zip down, right? So more downside to come for Fetch AI. I don't think it's I mean, it could, of course, rise back up, but we're under the skinny pink line. So the moment we cross it, right, we may not immediately drop. We may just hover around the skinny pink line before dropping lower. So I think that's what's going to happen for Fetch towards the downside. So be very careful about rushing in. I still think that there's potential that we drop to 10 cents for Fetch. GMT, STEPN. What in the world is STEPN? Yeah, STEPN is just like Axie Infinity. Sandbox. Down, 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 down. Any clear signs of a reversal? No. We were oversold here. What happened? We drop even lower. Oversold here? Yes. We drop even lower. Oversold, drop even lower. Right. Oversold a little bit. A little bit more downside. Oh my god, it's not looking good. So again, as long as we're under the skinny pink line, we remain with a bearish bias, right? Until we see buying pressure. GMT against USD is also a downer. $4 down, 54 cents. We rallied a little bit down to 23 cents. We rallied. Now we are at 15 cents. Oh my god, it's not looking good under the skinny pink line. It's not good. It's not good. So more downside potentially. We still don't see any clear signs of a reversal. I mean, of course, in the next hour, next day, or next week, we could just start reversing from here, but I just don't see it yet. So yeah, we have to wait for clear bullish reversals first before rushing to anything, right? GMT doesn't really look that good, not at this point of time. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top Binance Launchpad coins by MarketCap TA. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one.